Welcome to the Bureau of Indian Standards Central Laboratory. Here we ensure the quality and durability of the products that reach you. Today we'll take you inside to see how we test sandals and slippers as per IS 6721-2023. These IS are under QCO, means mandatory certification is required. Sandals and slippers are everyday essentials, and they need to meet specific standards to ensure comfort, durability and safety. At BIS, we test them under various conditions as per Indian Standard 6721-2023. First, we test the flex resistance of the sole. In this test, the test specimen is prepared and a single incision, cut, at the point is made. The initial length is measured with the measuring magnifier, after which the test piece is fixed in the flexing machine, where it is guided in such a way that on one side it can be bent at an angle of 90 degrees about a mandrel with a radius of 15 millimeters, over which 30,000 cycles are being carried out for flex and checked for the number and dimensions of spontaneous cracks occurred. This test simulates repeated bending, ensuring the sole can withstand long hours of wear without cracking or splitting and any deformation. Next, we perform the density balance test on the sandal sole material. In everyday use, the sole's weight and composition affect comfort and durability. For this test, a sample is carefully cut from the sole and weighed in air using a precision balance. Then, it's submerged in water and its weight is measured again. By comparing these two weights, we calculate the material's density. This ensures the sole meets the required standards for quality and performance, providing the right balance of lightness and strength. Next, we have the abrasion resistance test. Outsole abrasion resistance of non-leather outsoles, applying with a vertical requisite force over an abrasion distance of 40 meters. In this test, pieces may be taken from anywhere on the sole. After completion of test, the wear is checked by comparing the loss of mass of the test specimen and loss of mass that of the standard reference material. This test replicates the effects of rough surfaces on the sole, assessing its durability. A durable sole is essential for all sports activities. The sole of any footwear needs to withstand rough surfaces. Here, the machine rubs the sole against an abrasive surface to measure its resistance to wear. The D-ring strength test, conducted as per IS 6721 standards, evaluates the tensile strength and durability of the D-ring. This ensures it can withstand high stress without deformation or failure. Straps play a critical role in providing secure fitting. The strap strength test applies force to ensure straps are strong and won't snap under pressure. The Velcro strength test. The strength test evaluates the adhesion strength of Velcro fasteners. Both parts of a touch and close fastener are repeatedly opened and closed a standard number of times by a machine, and the average force required to peel them apart along their length from either end is measured with a tensile testing machine. This test procedure assesses the tensile strength and reliability of the Velcro fastener, ensures the fastener remains reliable even after repeated use. The bond strength test, conducted in accordance with IS 6721 standards, measures the adhesive strength between the sole and the upper. This ensures the bond remains intact even under high stress and prolonged use. The toe post attachment strength test, conducted as per IS 6721 standards, evaluates the durability and strength of the toe post connection. This ensures it remains securely attached even after repeated use. Chemical testing. The Bureau of Indian Standards, through IS 17011, sets stringent guidelines to ensure footwear is safe for consumers and the environment. This standard identifies critical chemical substances that could be present in footwear materials. Substances like phthalates, azo dyes, formaldehyde, heavy metals and chromium-6 can pose health risks, causing allergies, skin irritation and even toxicity. To prevent such hazards, IS 17011 mandates acceptable limits and rigorous testing methods, such as chromatography and spectrophotometry to detect harmful substances. By complying with these standards, manufacturers ensure that footwear is free from toxic chemicals, environmentally friendly, and safe for consumers. Each test helps us ensure that the sandals and slippers meet the standards for quality, safety, and durability as per IS 6721-2023. At BIS, your comfort and safety always come first.